Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video. In this video, my friends, we are making pumpkin spice. So let's get started. So my friends, all you need are simple ingredients from the dollar store or your local supermarket. We're using nutmegs, we're using allspice, we're using cinnamon, we're using ginger, we're using cloves. That's all you need to make this wonderful, wonderful spice that's now in the season. So my friends, for this recipe, it is simple and all you need is basically 4 to 5 ingredients, right? So we are making pumpkin spice and we're using some nutmeg, we're using some ginger, and we're using some allspice, and we're using some cinnamon, and we're using some ground cloves. Okay, simple recipe. Don't go and buy pumpkin spice. If you have all these ingredients, just make your own. Okay, so let's start. I'll show you how. We're going to use some cinnamon, and I just have an open package here, so I'm just going to use what I have. And for the cinnamon, you need 2 tablespoons. Okay, 2 tablespoons. It is so simple to make. You're going to see how simple this is to make. We need some ground ginger, but I have a pack already open. I'm just going to use it up, and I only need 2 teaspoons of that. So I'm just going to grab my teaspoon here, and I need ground ginger. Easy breezy recipe, my friends. Easy breezy recipe. So that's 1 teaspoon here. And this, I'm going to put also the recipe down below, so if you wanted to try this on your own, you do it. So 2 teaspoons of ginger, and then I need some ground cloves. Now this is a little bit pricey, right? But you don't want to go that route. Don't go and purchase like this main one, right? Get yours at the dollar store. I was trying to get one at the dollar store, but they didn't have any, and so I had to purchase this. Now you can just use also this is cloves, the seeds. You can get the seeds itself and just grind it up. I'm gonna use some ground allspice, right? You do not have to put this in. This is just a bonus, just to add some extra scent into it, but you don't have to use this, right? So I'm gonna also put 1 teaspoon of this in. See, I told you, simple recipe, my friends. 1 teaspoon in, and then the nutmeg. I like the smell of nutmeg. And you can also grate it on your own. Get the seeds from the nutmeg and just grate it and do the same thing. But I was being a little bit lazy and decided to pick it up. Now again, these are sold, this brand Dandy Pack are sold at the Dollar Tree, and you can get these for $1.25 each. It's just that they were out of some of the spices that I needed to make this recipe, so I just kind of picked up what I needed from my local grocery store, right? And for this, you just need half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I love the smell of nutmeg. Oh, nutmeg is such a great smell. And these are just 100% nutmeg that's in these as well. And I think it's the same for the ginger, other than a little bit of preservative. And basically that's it, right? This is what you mix it all up. So this is it, my friends. Just mix this all up. Mix it all up. If there's lumps, you just want to just squeeze those out, right? You just mix it well. That's it. And let me tell you, you should smell this. It smells so good in here. Oh my goodness, when you're doing this. And this is all that's in pumpkin spice. And when you make this spice, my friends, you can use it to make pie. You can put it in pies. You can put it in your coffee in the morning if you want that pumpkin spice latte thing that they have going on at Starbucks. This is all that it is. Just some pumpkin mix. And that's basically it, my friends. But here's the thing. Right? It's well mixed in. Oh, yes. All those wonderfulness, right? This would have cost you about $4 at the store or more, sometimes $6.99 for pumpkin spice, especially this time of the year, right? All you need to do is grab yourself a jar from the dollar store. And this one is a little bit too big for the amount of spice that I have in here. And then you just put it in the jar. Make sure you label the jar so you know what's in here, right? And cover it up. That will last you for 2-3 years. I am not kidding. This pumpkin spice can last you for a very long time. So try making it easy, breezy pumpkin spice. As I said, you can use it in your coffees, in your teas. You can use it on your anywhere that you want pumpkin spice to be, in your pies and stuff like that. And if you're making simple activity with the children like Play-Doh, use that pumpkin spice that you just made. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.